Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks for joining us. Please support our channel. Exhaust Manifold Repair. All you need to know. Is your engine making strange noises or losing power? It might be your exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is a crucial part of your car's engine system. It collects exhaust gases from the engine's cylinders and funnels them into the exhaust pipe. Made from cast iron or steel, it's built to withstand high temperatures. But like any car part, it can fail. Common issues include cracks, leaks, and warping due to constant heating and cooling. Neglecting these problems can lead to reduced performance, poor fuel efficiency, and even engine damage. In this video, we'll cover the basics of exhaust manifold repair. You'll discover how to spot problems early and what steps to take for a proper fix. Stay tuned to keep your ride smooth and efficient. What is an exhaust manifold? The exhaust manifold is a key component of your car's engine system. It's like a traffic cop, directing the flow of exhaust gases from multiple cylinders into a single pipe. Without it, your engine wouldn't run smoothly. But what exactly does it do, and why is it so important? Let's break it down. Function of the exhaust manifold. The primary job of the exhaust manifold is to collect exhaust gases from each of the engine's cylinders. Imagine it as a funnel that gathers all the smoke from a campfire into a single path, making it easier to control and direct. Collects exhaust gases. Each cylinder in your engine produces gases as it burns fuel. These gases are harmful and need to be expelled safely. Directs gases to the exhaust pipe. The manifold channels these gases into the exhaust pipe, which then sends them out of the vehicle. Importance of the exhaust manifold. Why should you care about the exhaust manifold? Because without it, your engine would be in big trouble. Ensures engine efficiency. By efficiently collecting and directing exhaust gases, it helps the engine run smoothly. A faulty manifold can cause back pressure, leading to reduced engine performance. Reduces harmful emissions. It plays a crucial role in filtering out harmful gases. This not only helps the environment but also keeps your vehicle compliant with emission regulations. Prevents engine damage. By keeping exhaust gases flowing correctly, it prevents overheating and potential damage to the engine. Signs of a bad exhaust manifold. How do you know if your exhaust manifold is in trouble? Here are some common signs. Strange noises. If you hear hissing or tapping sounds, it could be a sign of a crack or leak. Reduced performance. If your car feels sluggish or less powerful, the manifold might be clogged or damaged. Poor fuel efficiency. Your car may consume more fuel than usual if the manifold isn't working properly. Visible damage. Sometimes, you can physically see cracks or damage by looking at the manifold. Quick tips for maintaining your exhaust manifold. Keeping your exhaust manifold in good shape is essential. Here are some quick maintenance tips. Regular inspections. Check for cracks or leaks regularly. Keep it clean. Make sure it's free from dirt and debris. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Adhere to the maintenance schedule recommended by your car's manufacturer. In summary, the exhaust manifold is not just another piece of metal in your engine. It's vital for the overall health and efficiency of your vehicle. Keep an eye on it to ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Common symptoms of a faulty exhaust manifold. If your car isn't running as smoothly as it should, a faulty exhaust manifold might be to blame. There are several telltale signs that can help you identify the problem early. Let's take a look at the most common symptoms. Exhaust leaks. Exhaust leaks are one of the main signs of a faulty exhaust manifold. But how can you recognize them? Hissing or tapping sounds. If you hear unusual noises, especially when you start the engine or accelerate, it might be an exhaust leak. These sounds are often caused by exhaust gases escaping through a crack. Soot around the manifold. Visible soot or black spots around the manifold indicate that exhaust gases are leaking out. Smell of exhaust. If you smell exhaust fumes inside the car, it's a serious sign that there's a leak. This can be dangerous as exhaust gases contain carbon monoxide. Exhaust leaks are problematic because they can lead to harmful gases entering the cabin and reduce your car's efficiency. Decreased engine performance. A faulty exhaust manifold can seriously affect your engine's performance. Here's how. Loss of power. If your car feels less powerful than usual, the exhaust manifold might be restricting the flow of exhaust gases, creating back pressure that hampers engine performance. Sluggish acceleration. The car might take longer to accelerate, making it feel underpowered. Engine stalling. In severe cases, the engine might stall or hesitate when you try to start it. These issues occur because a damaged manifold disrupts the balance between air and fuel in the engine, making it run less efficiently. Unusual noises. Strange noises coming from your engine can also point to a faulty exhaust manifold. Here are some sounds to listen for. Ticking or tapping sounds. When the manifold is cracked or leaking, you might hear a constant ticking or tapping noise, especially when the engine is cold. Loud rumbling. A damaged manifold can cause a loud rumbling sound, often due to exhaust gases escaping through a crack. These noises are often more noticeable when the engine is under load, like during acceleration or climbing hills. Poor fuel efficiency. Another symptom of a faulty exhaust manifold is poor fuel efficiency. Here's how it affects your car. Increased fuel consumption. A damaged manifold can cause the engine to work harder, leading to higher fuel consumption. You might notice your gas mileage drops significantly. Frequent refueling. If you find yourself stopping at the gas station more often, it could indicate a problem with the exhaust manifold. Poor fuel efficiency happens because the engine isn't burning fuel as effectively. The balance of air and fuel gets thrown off, making the engine less efficient. By keeping an eye out for these symptoms, you can catch exhaust manifold problems early. This can save you from more extensive repairs down the line and keep your car running smoothly. Causes of exhaust manifold damage. Exhaust manifold damage can sneak up on you if you're not careful. Your car's manifold deals with extreme conditions, and over time, problems can arise. Below are the most common causes of exhaust manifold damage. Thermal stress. High temperatures are a silent killer when it comes to exhaust manifolds. Here's why. Constant heating and cooling. The manifold repeatedly heats up when the engine runs and cools down when it's off. This cycle causes the metal to expand and contract, which can form tiny cracks over time. Imagine bending a paperclip back and forth, it eventually breaks. Extreme heat. Exhaust gases can be extremely hot, sometimes exceeding 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat puts a lot of stress on the manifold, making it more susceptible to cracking and warping. Thermal stress is like the constant pressure a bridge endures. Over time, it can lead to significant damage if not properly maintained and checked. Physical impact. The exhaust manifold isn't immune to physical damage. Here's how it can get hurt. Collisions. If you're in an accident, even a minor one, the impact can jolt the exhaust system, causing damage to the manifold. A hard hit to the front or underside of your car can warp or crack this crucial part. Road debris. Everyday driving hazards like rocks, potholes, or other debris can strike the exhaust manifold. It's like a fastball hitting a glass window. Damage is almost inevitable. Physical impacts don't just happen in bad crashes. Even minor bumps can lead to costly repairs if they hit the manifold just right. Corrosion. Rust and corrosion are relentless enemies of metal parts, and the exhaust manifold is no exception. Here's what you need to know. Moisture and salt. Water and salt, especially from winter roads, can corrode the metal over time. Moisture gets into every nook and cranny, and once rust starts, it spreads, weakening the manifold structure. Neglect. If you don't clean your engine regularly or ignore signs of rust, it will only get worse. Rust eats away at the metal, making it fragile and prone to cracks and holes. Corrosion is like a slow-growing disease. You might not see the damage immediately, but it can severely weaken the manifold over time. Understanding these causes can help you take preventive actions. Regular maintenance and inspections can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Don't wait for a major issue to strike. Catching problems early can keep your car running smoothly. Diagnosing exhaust manifold issues. Before diving into repairs, it's crucial to accurately diagnose any issues with your exhaust manifold. Here's a straightforward guide to help you identify any problems. That wraps up part 1 of our exhaust manifold repair guide. See you in part 2, where we'll dive deeper into diagnosing and repairing exhaust manifold issues. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.